Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel.
Today I am going to draw and color beautiful flowers step by step.
Let's start drawing.
I'm going to draw 3 flowers now, and this is the first. And this is the second flower in the middle. And now I'm going to draw the third flower at the end. Now I will draw a beautiful tub for this flower. And for that, I drew 2 lines on the top and connected the 2 lines on both sides. Now I'll draw the 2 big leaves of the flower. And this flower has 3 main stems.
Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
I'm coloring the first flower pink color. Give the third flower pink color. And the flower in the middle is orange color. Dark green leaves. Next, the entire tub is painted light blue color.
Wow, that's great!
Yellow color.
Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!